So now in the BFSK transmitter, we are using two basis function phi1 of t and phi2 of t. The values are under root 2 by tv cos 2 pi f1 t and phi2 of t is under root 2 by tv cos 2 pi f2 t. Okay, so these two modulator, these two modulators are connected. One input is basis function, another input is the message signal and inverted message signal. Okay, so for inverting we will use the inverter. Okay, so which is you can see here for S1 of t, the signal is directly connected to with multiplied with phi1 of t directly plus, and phi2 of t is 0. So you can see here as for S1 of t, okay, this portion is S1, this output is S11 phi1 of t plus this output is S11 phi1 of t, and this output is 0. So we will have S1 of t. Similarly for S2 of t, we are having this output is 0 and this output is S2 to phi2 of t. So for symbol 1 we are having S1 of t, and for symbol 0 we are having S2 of t. So we are using binary data sequences converted into on-off level signal, that is 0 and 0 and 1. Okay, when the output is 1, amplitude is empty. Okay, m of t, the value of m of t is under root eb. Under root eb is the value of output when input is 1, and when input is 0 the output is 0. Okay, so it is the on-off level encoder. So when there is 1, output will be under root eb will applied here, and for 0 through the inverter output will be 0. So when symbol 1 is there, eb is here. eb is the one of input of this multi modulator, and 0 is one input of this modulator. So this output will be 0, and this output will be under root 2 eb by tb cos 2 pi f1 t. Okay, so we are having the signal S1 of t. S of t is equals to S1 of t. Similarly for symbol 0, this 0 is applied here, so the output of this modulator is 0, and output of this that is this 0 is applied to input of inverter, the output will be under root eb. So we are having the output under root 2 by tv cos 2 pi f2 t. So S1 of t is equals to S2 of t, S of t is equals to S2 of t for BFSK. So it is the BFSK transmitter. Now the receiver, again the receiver is coherent receiver. So we are using the correlator. That is received signal is correlated with phi1 of t and phi2 of t. Okay, so it will be related with the phi1 of t and phi2, correlated with the phi1 of t and phi2 of t. Okay, when for example it is nearer to S1 of t, for example as x of t is nearer to S1 of t, so this output is higher as compared to this, so the output will be 1. y equals to क्या रहेगा, y equal to positive. So decision device will choose for 1 when y greater than 0. ठीक है, when x of t is closer to S1 of t. ठीक है, so this output is higher, x1 is higher than x2, so the output will be positive. ठीक है, जैसे कि यहाँ पर हमने दिखाया, यहाँ पे ठीक है, जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है यहाँ पर when symbol 1 is there, output will be S1 of t for this when this output is present, and this output is 0. So बिल्कुल सिमिलर लॉजिक हम यहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे. फॉर this correlator will give the output x1 higher as compared to this x2, because this phi2, this input is closer to 0. This input is closer to 0 for symbol 1. Similarly for the other hand, for symbol 0, this input is closer to 0 as compared to this, so the x2 will be higher, so the y will be negative. So when it will choose, the decision device will choose for 0 when y is less than 0. So it is the BFSK receiver. Now probability of error, that is the similar procedure like in the BPSK, that is P10 and P20. The formula is exactly same, that is D12. We are using a D12 for BFSK. D12, the distance between the two symbols is under root 2 EB. You can see in the signal space diagram. So since again we are considering that the symbols are equally likely, that is average probability of error will be half of first type and half of second type. So you will get probability of error is equals to q of under root EB by n0, which is BER, because it is single bit. Okay, BFSK is the single bit type of modulation. So you can see here the probability of error of BPSK is what is that is the difference between the BPSK and BFSK is that you are getting higher probability of error इन द केस ऑफ बीपीएस के, ठीक है, बीपीएस केस विच इज अंडर